Come down on your belly. Your forehead is on mat. Take your both hands back. Hold ankles. Inhale up in Dhanurasana. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come in plank. Hold it for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now make a side plank on your right elbow. Hold weight in your left hand like this. Holding of the weight is optional and take your upper leg up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring this weight down. Make side plank another side. And take your leg up if you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Hold weights in your hand. Take your both hands back. Your forehead is on mat. And get up in inverted board pose, that is Superman and Superwoman pose. Let's start. Exhale 1. Inhale 2. Exhale 3. Inhale 4. Exhale 5. Inhale 6. Take your legs up. Exhale 7. Inhale 8. Keep the weights down. Take your both hands back. Hold your ankles. Before you get up, take a deep breath. Expel your breath. Get up in Dhanurasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly release Dhanurasana. Come in plank for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On right elbow, make side plank, holding the weight in your hand and lifting the upper leg up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the weight. Hold weight in other hand. Take yourself up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your everything down. Hold weights in your hand. Come in inverted board pose, Superman, Superwoman. Let's start. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Inhale 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now take a deep breath. Forehead is on mat. Expel your breath. Come in Dhanurasana. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release it. Come in plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come in side plank on right elbow first. Hold the weight. Lift the upper leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put it down. Another side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put it down. Hold weights in your hand. Forehead is on mat. Raise yourself up in inverted board. Exhale 1. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put your weights down. Forehead is on mat. Take a deep breath. Keep holding your ankles with your breath. Expel your breath. Fourth round. Get up in Dhanurasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come in plank. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Side plank on right elbow, holding the weight, raising the upper arm, upper leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change your side. Come up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put it down. Forehead is on mat. Take the weights back. Get up. Get up. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now come in Dhanurasana. Take a deep breath. Expel your breath. Get up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come into plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Side plank. 5, 4, 3, 1. Another side, side plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly get on. Forehead is on mat. Holding the weights or no weights. Take your hands back. Take your legs up. Upper body up. Exhale 1. Inhale back. Exhale 3. Inhale back. Exhale 5. Inhale back. Exhale 7. Inhale back. Relax.